This is how you can make a karaoke video from any song, especially that one you love but can't find a karaoke version for it. That was my case. I looked for a karaoke video of one of my favorite songs but found nothing. This video is about how I challenged myself to build a 4-step pipeline using Python and completely free tools to turn my favorite song into a karaoke track. I will share the struggles I faced, the different approaches I tested, and the final solution that actually worked. Make sure to watch until the end. Step 4 is where things get really creative, and I'll show you the fun techniques I discovered for animating karaoke lyrics.
So excited to share this with you. If it's helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more. To get started, given a YouTube link of your favorite song, you need to pull the audio from it. To do so, you can use YouTube DL, which is a command line program to download videos from youtube.com and other websites. You can also use free websites to download or convert your YouTube link into an MP3. So given one of my favorite songs, I will copy its link by clicking on the share button, then the copy button. To be in full control of my pipeline, I decided to create a script called Get Audio that uses YouTube DL to turn my YouTube URL into an audio track. To use the script, run a command similar to the following: Python get audio followed by your YouTube URL, then the output format, either WAV or MP3, then the path of where to store your audio track. Once the command completes, you will have access to your audio track. If you are interested, I can share the full pipeline code with you later.
Step 2 is all about separating the vocals from the instrumental. Given your audio track, the goal is to extract 2 separate tracks, one containing only the vocals and the other containing only the music. For this I used Splitter, which is a Diesel source separation library that is written in Python and uses TensorFlow. It enables separating the audio into different streams. You can also use free websites to remove the vocals and isolate them, but you're gonna be limited in the term of minutes or the duration of your audio. Using Splitter, I created a Python script that will enable you to separate the vocals from the instrument. All you need to do is to run the command Python separate vocals and the instrument.py, followed by the path to your audio track and the path to a directory to where to store the 2 tracks. After running this command, you will get 2 WAV files, one with the vocals and the other one with the music. Now that we have the vocals, we need the lyrics and their timing. WhisperX, which is a model developed by OpenAI, provides fast automatic speech recognition with word-level timestamps. Unfortunately for this step, I couldn't find relevant free websites to do this task. If you know any, please don't hesitate to mention them in the comment section. Using WhisperX, I tried to create a Python script that generates, given an audio path, the transcriptions. Unfortunately, I wasn't able directly to use WhisperX within a Python due to dependencies conflict. So I used UVX command line to do the job. You only need to provide your audio path to the command. After the command finishes, you will have access to a JSON file composed of 2 elements: segments and word segments. Word segments is a list composed of list of words with their ending and start time. A bonus step here is to refine the transcriptions. You can do that manually. You need to look into your JSON and you refine the missed words and correct their start and end time. Or you can use EGSub to edit your subtitles using an interactive user interface. Now that we have the lyrics with their timestamps and the audio track with only the music, we need to render a karaoke video where the current word is highlighted. To achieve the desired rendering, I explored various animation tools.
The first one that came to mind was Manim, a Python-based animation engine well known for creating mathematical animations. Since I wasn't familiar with Manim, I started with a simple exercise, implementing a line scrolling effect. I created a custom Python class for this purpose, and the results were promising. Although using Manim was fun, I realized it would be quite challenging to implement a karaoke style effect with it. So I did a bit more research and discovered that FFmpeg supports adding subtitles via .ass or .srt files. I choose the ASS format as it provides more flexibility in styling and animation according to the documentation. Next, I wrote a Python script to convert my JSON data into an ASS file. The final pipeline looks something like this. To convert my JSON into an .ass subtitle file, I created a Python script that takes two inputs, the path to the transcripts and the path where the result should be saved. After running the command python get _ass.py, I successfully generated an .ass file containing the lyrics ready to be used with FFmpeg. The last command to run is ffmpeg-y-i followed by the path to a background video with the music that we had in step 2 -vf followed by the path to our .ass file followed by -c 2 dots a copy and the path to where to store the karaoke video. After executing that command, the final result will be something like So that's how I made my own karaoke from scratch, just using Python and free tools. I learned a lot, had fun, and finally got to sing my favorite song. I hope this helps you do the same. And if you're wondering how to make this work for Arabic or other right to left songs, I've started adapting it. Drop a comment if you want me to make a full tutorial on that too. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful.